Should I invest in Vechain? Should I buy Vechain, my friend? And this month, can they will give you a profit? Can this is there is chances to Vechain will give you a profit or not, my brother? Absolutely, we predicate this coin. We do technical analysis, and absolutely we see the update. And after that, we decide to this coin is good for investment and this month or not, my brother. This video, especially, my friend, I designed for a short time investor. And absolutely, if you are a long time investor, then absolutely you also need to watch this video, because you understand, you learn to how see the chart and how understand, my brother. So you can see this time, my brother, the update is on the screen, which, and this is the latest update. But try to understand, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type update videos. Thank you so much, brother. So which and big update is not available. I check already and Twitter, Instagram, and absolutely Google. So a big update is not available, but you can see here this time the change occur in the price. You can see here plus 1.91% just in only in the last 1 hour. You can see, my friend, the price will be moving upward, and you can see here the last 1 day chart, and you can see the last 7 day chart. Absolutely all is in my friends positive, and the rank is 20, and you can see, my brother, the price is 0.12 USD dollar, and BTC price 0.503 USD dollar. So it's mean to Vechain is starting moving upward. You know why they starting moving upward? Absolutely, after this video you understand to why they face down and moving upward, and there is a chance to they are moving upward more or not, brother. So if you can see here, the last 7 day chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely, you can see here the 2 days is in this month, and you will see here the 5 days is in, my friend, in the May. So you can see here, my friend, and the last days they fails down, especially in May. You can see here 30 May, you can see here. So they completely fails down, but definitely after this point you can see this starting moving upward. So you can see here when starting June, exactly they starting moving upward. So absolutely after a fails, every graph you can see is moving very badly, fails down, but after a fails they take a very huge jump. So it's time, you can see here they fails down, but definitely after this fails they take a very huge jump. So it's me to 100% Vechain is moving up in upcoming time. So you need to hold and invest more and more in this coin, my brother. I hope they will give you very good profit. If you want to invest in a Vechain, exactly you are doing very good. I hope you are in the profit. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, the price will be double now at the end of month, and that will give you very good profit. Now 1.51% just in only the last 1 hour. In the last 1 month, every cryptocurrency very badly falls down from last 1 month, but definitely you can see here the Vechain chart occur. So the change occur 151 USD percent moving upward. So exactly this is very good now. So which is a stable coin, you need to absolutely, if you want to invest for a long time, exactly this coin is very good for all of you. Thanks for watching Vechain holder. Please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price is going to be very good, so please wait and hold. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.